So, if you're listening, I don't know how well you can hear this, but there's this bird that has come around, and it's just, well, yeah, squash, 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 squash. Anyways, it's been going on for quite a while, and it's got to me to the point where it's like, alright, you know, I'm gonna fucking record this. And I don't know how well this can be heard over this shit, but it's like, I don't know if that's their mating call or what the deal is, but it's motherfucking annoying. Anyways, thought I'd document that. Alright, anyways, so that's it.